When should you choose Shopify? This is my personal opinion. You can see for yourself by trying both Shopify and WooCommerce. If it's your first store and you don't have any experience in e-commerce, I would definitely go with Shopify. But why am I saying this? Because everything is user-friendly, and you don't have to deal with technical stuffs. You can just focus on starting and growing your business. Your store can be ready very fast with Shopify. The basic Shopify plan at $29 per month is a very good deal to get on board and become an e-commerce entrepreneur. It's super powerful. You get the support you need as a beginner. You can connect it to all the major sales channels like Google, Facebook, or Instagram. The user interface is beautiful, and you can customize your store easily with great templates. They have a Barlow, the best app for dropshipping. You are in good hands as Shopify offers a 24/7 support via chat or email and phone. Your focus should be on your business. Learn to sell, learn marketing. Later on, you can optimize your cost and your risk management strategy.